Hello, welcome. Today's recipe is puff puff, and not just any type of puff puff, but this irresistible plantain puff puff, and the whole family loves it. So without much ado, let me show you how I do it. Before we proceed, we want to make sure that the plantain isn't rotten but simply overripe. Rotten plantains will look bad inside and give off an awful foul smell, while an overripe plantain will be soft and a bit mushy, but with a sweet plantainy smell. Once we have done that, the next step is to check how active our yeast is, or to see if it's still alive. No matter the type of yeast I'm using, I always make sure to test the yeast viability, that's to see if the yeast is alive, before adding the other ingredients. This saves me a lot of headaches and I don't waste anything. The bubbles and frothiness that you see shows that the yeast is ready for action. So moving on, we'll transfer the plantain into a large bowl. You can mash the plantain before use, but I like the faster method of blending it in with the liquid ingredients. Then I add the yeast mixture and the flour. I also add some nutmeg or sometimes cinnamon or vanilla essence, depending on my mood, and then I mix until smooth. If the batter is too watery, you can add an extra tablespoon or 2 of flour, and if it's too thick, you can add water or milk instead. We'll now leave the yeast to work on the batter. Now we are back and the batter is looking so lovely, and this is the fun part, choosing which scoop to use. I like to go really traditional and use my clean damp hands, but my classic chicks can use an ice cream scoop or a dip spoon as it is less messy. And the final part, and our favorite part, the frying. I tend to do a heat test with a small drop of butter before frying the rest. And if the batter pops up immediately, then the oil is ready for frying. Just look at these beauties. Like seriously, how many can you eat? Let me know in the comment section below. As for me, you have to take the bowl away from me. If not, I pity the puff puff. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe and click on that tiny bell sign. This way I know you like watching my videos. Remain blessed until the next video. Bye bye.